Hello guys, welcome back to the Future Internet Cafe. My name is Catherine and I'll be your guide throughout this video. If you are new, welcome. In today's video, we are going to look at how to apply for your dream university on KUCCPS. So if you finished your Form 4 or would like to join university and you have your KCSE certificate, the KUCCPS portal is open with a deadline of 12 days, now remaining 9 days. So I'm going to show you how to apply. Please note that the portal has a lot of downtime. So sometimes you might open it and it just keeps on loading, it just keeps giving you errors. So just keep trying and make sure you try a time when not so many people are using the portal, such like at night from around 12 a.m. to 3 a.m. Okay, so let's get started. Go to your web browser and search for KUCCPS. For the purpose of this video, I'm using Google Chrome. As you can see on your screen, click on KUCCPS website. When the KUCCPS website opens, click on Students Portal. It's going to ask you for your login details. Enter your KCSE index number, enter your KCSE year, and enter your password. Your password is your KCPE. Please note it's your KCPE index number, or you can use your birth certificate entry number, okay? But it's preferable you just put your KCPE index number. If you don't know it and you have access to your birth certificate, you can use your birth certificate entry number as your password. Once you're done, click on login. Once you click on login, the portal is going to open. It's going to show you your dashboard, so make sure you are using your account to apply for your dream university. Okay, once you make sure that it's yours, everything is fine on your dashboard, click on all programs in order for you to access the programs that you want to apply. There's degree, there's diploma, certificate, and artisan. So based on your grade, you can apply for either the degree, the diploma, or the certificate based on your cluster points. So if you want to apply for degree programs, go through the cluster groups. For instance, if you want a course in law, it's cluster 1. If you want a course related to business and hospitality, click on cluster 2. If you want a course related with social science, film, animation, click on cluster 3. The same case goes for diploma, certificate, and artisan. If you want a course in law, education, business, so click on the relevant one that applies to you based on the course that you want to take, okay? So if you click on a cluster, if you open that group, it's going to show you courses in that group. So go through them and click on the course that you want. For example, assuming you clicked on cluster 13, which is for medicine related and health courses, these are the options it shows you. If you want to take a course in dental surgery, click on option 1. If you want a course in pharmacy, click on option 2. If you want a course in nursing, click on option 13, and so forth, okay? So based on the course that you selected on the cluster that you open, it's going to show you a list of institutions offering that course. It's going to tell you if it's a public institution or a private institution. So for instance, these programs are based on the electrical engineering courses. So this is Bachelors of Electrical Engineering, and these are the universities or institutions offering that course. So if, for example, you see a university that you'd like to attend in taking that course, for example, you want to go to Chuka University to study Bachelor of Science in Electrical and Electronics Engineering. At the end there is a basket. Click on add, okay? So once you click on add, it's going to change its color to green and it will tell you that the course has been added to your basket. So if you want another university, for example Egerton University, to do the same course, click on add. Kenyatta University, click on add, and so forth and so forth. Again, you can choose all the courses you want. For degree, you're supposed to choose 4 courses only, and your first option should have 3 universities, okay? So for instance, if your first option is Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, okay, that's your first option, you have to choose 3 universities that you'd like to take that course based on your number 1 priority, okay? If your number 1 option is to study Bachelor of Science at Chuka University, then that will be option 1A. Your option 1B will be Bachelor of Science in Computer Science at Desta University. Your option 1C will be Bachelor of Science in Computer Science at Kisii University. Your second option may be another course, Bachelor of Science in IT. Your third course, the same, Bachelor of Science in Nursing, and your fourth course, okay? So make sure you have listed there, before you open the portal, you have listed the 4 courses that you would like to take and the universities that you would like to attend, okay? So you can choose as many courses as you want. For this, it's a course in medicine. As you can see, kwa basket, we have added all the universities we'd like to take that course, okay? So just click on add and it will be added to your basket, okay? So once you are done selecting all the courses that you would like and you have added all of them to your basket, it's time now to go to your basket and see the courses that you have qualified and the ones that you have not qualified. So if you have qualified to take a certain course, once you click the basket option, it looks like a basket. It's going to show you if you meet the minimum requirements for that course or not. If you have met the minimum requirements in case of this one, as you can see on your screen, then that means you can apply for that course. If you have not met the minimum requirements, it's going to tell you. But for this individual, they have met the minimum requirements needed to take the course that they would like, okay? As you can see, for this one, they have not met the minimum requirements for the course that they would like to take. So just add all the courses that you want to your basket, and then once you are done, head over to your basket and check the courses that you have met the requirements and those that you have not met the requirements, okay? So if you have met the requirements, take the code of that course. For example, for this one, Bachelor of Science in Statistics, Laikipia University, assuming I had met the requirements, the code is 1176163. Please note that these codes are the ones that are going to be used when you're making your applications. So sort your basket, make sure you have the 4 priority courses that you want and you have met all the requirements. List them down in order from your option 1 to option 4 and just write the code, okay? The only thing that is required when you're applying is the code of that course, okay? So once you're satisfied with your selection, it's now time for you to make your application. Head over to the menu on the top and click on application/revision. It's going to show you the rules and the instructions. Go through them. As you can see on the instructions, it has a couple of the application process rules that you're supposed to follow and how you're supposed to make your payment, okay? Every person is required to pay 1,500 shillings, 1,500 Kenyan shillings on the portal. This will be done once you have submitted your programs, okay, your application. So once you have gone through all the rules, you have been satisfied with the courses that you have selected, you have made sure that you have met all the requirements, it's now time for you to apply. So after reading the application instructions, click on apply now at the sub menu on top, okay? Click on apply now. So there's bachelor's degree and there's diploma, but this is based on your cluster points, okay? So if you have not qualified for a bachelor's degree program, it's okay, you can fill in the diploma. If not, you can fill in the certificate. If not, you can fill in the artisan visa course for everyone. For this individual, they have qualified for bachelor's degree courses. So put in your options. As I said, only the code of the course is required, and make sure you have listed them with priority, because your first option is where you will be first considered. In this case, your option 1A, if you have met the requirements, it's where you'll be automatically placed. If not, they will consider 1B. If not, they will consider 1C. If not, option 2, option 3, option 4. So make sure you list the courses in the order that you would like and in the university that you would like to go to. Okay, so enter the program code, and it's going to tell you there if you have met the requirements and what university you are applying for using that code. So once you have filled in all the courses that you'd like to take and in the university that you'd like to go to, using only the code of the course, it's going to tell you if you have met all the minimum requirements. Once you are satisfied, click on submit. Okay, once you click on submit, it's going to produce a prompt and ask you if you would like to be placed in any other programs apart from the ones that you have chosen. If yes, click on yes. If no, click on no, and then click on submit. Okay, after clicking on submit, it's going to show you a prompt saying that they are confirming something and please wait for the next step. Just wait. So the next stage is the payment of 1,500 shillings. The service payment prompt will appear. Click on here, as you can see on your screen. Once you click here, it's going to open the PesaFlow, the payment page. Choose M-Pesa or choose the payment method you are comfortable with or you have access to. Make sure that at the top it's your name, and also make sure you record the payment reference at the top, the XZBN or QR or whatever yours is. So because after you are done with the payment, it's the one you're going to use to record your payment. Okay, so choose M-Pesa or the one you're comfortable with. Okay. So for the case of M-Pesa, it's going to show you how to pay. You're going to pay using Paybill. Go to M-Pesa Paybill, enter the business number, enter your account number, and enter the amount, and click OK. Once you have paid and you receive a successful message from M-Pesa, click on Complete. Once you click on Complete, it's going to redirect you. Go back to your portal and enter the payment reference. It's also the account number that you used when you were paying. Enter it and then click on Submit. It's going to tell you successful. You have successfully submitted your application. Click on OK. In case it shows an error, just refresh the page. Don't worry, it will record your payment, and if it doesn't, just enter the payment number, the payment reference again, but please don't pay again. Okay, and congratulations, you have successfully applied to the course of your dreams and to the university of your dreams. So congratulations and wish you all the best. So thank you so much guys for watching. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe, and share with a friend or on your social media platforms to help someone else who is facing the same challenge. Please note that the course portal has a lot of downtime due to the traffic of people accessing it during the day. So the best time to try is at night, specifically from 12 a.m. or 1 a.m. to about 5 a.m. in the morning, but it's working flawlessly from 2 a.m. to 3 a.m. between those hours. Okay, so thank you for watching. My name is Catherine and I have been your host. Until next time, bye bye.